Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and I am going to be sharing my January empties with you today. And yeah, let's just get on to it. So the first product I want to show you is my tried and true French Vanilla International Coffee Creamer. Y'all have seen this many times before on my channel and yeah, I'm still loving it, so I wanted to show you. I will have links to all these products down in my description box, so just you can go and click it and order it if you want to. The next thing I have is something I got from one of my Thrive Market hauls. I'll have the little car right here in the corner, and yeah, from my past hauls, it's a playlist of my Thrive Market hauls, but yeah, I got this one sent to me for free because after so much of you ordering, you get free products sometimes. Sometimes it's just discounts on certain items, but they always have something special going on Thrive Market, and they're already great prices. So yeah, and that subscription box is like all cruelty-free and more natural products. They don't only have food, they got makeup, they got exercising equipment, they got all kinds of stuff, bath, body care, a lot of stuff. But anyway, what I got was this Food Stayers Modern Bacon Organic Vanilla Cake Mix and Frosting. They both was sent at the same time for free, and I tried it, and if you like yogurt, because that is one of the main ingredients mixed into the cake mix and the ice, well, not the icing, but with the cake mix. If you like yogurt and you like cake, then you'll like this this organic cake mixture, and you'll like this. But if you don't like yogurt, then you probably won't like it. Like me and my daughter Sydney really love yogurt, so we really enjoyed the cake, but my daughter Elena doesn't like yogurt, so she didn't really enjoy the cake. But that's what those products look like. The next thing is something that I got from Sam's, is the Panera Bread at Home Broccoli and Cheddar Soup. I also got the potato soup one, so which I couldn't find the box, I threw it away I guess, but these are some good soups. So if you have a Sam's Club membership, I definitely recommend trying the broccoli cheddar soup and the potato soup. It was really good, and for these cooler months it was perfect. And it has microwave directions on the back, so basically this soup will be ready for you in under 6 minutes, and you can do it on the stove top too, and then you'll just have to check the temperature. Basically when it's warm is when it's ready, but it only takes 6 minutes in the microwave, and that's how I ate it, and it was really good. That was some grilled cheese on the side. Yes. The next thing I used up was this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E Moisturizing Body Oil. I won this on Marsha Wood's giveaway not too long ago. I'll leave the card here, so you can check out that video. But yeah, I really enjoyed this, and I saw that they have it at Walmart, and I saw it at my Fred's, so I definitely would repurchase this one. It's definitely recommended if you have really dry skin and you need to exfoliate, of course, at first, but when you're still wet coming out of the shower, then you put this on your like damp skin, and it just locks in that moisture. It's really good. I really love it. Definitely recommend it. The next two things I got in a Christmas gift to myself, and it was the Katy Perry's Mad Potion, and I got the shower gel and the lotion. And if you like cotton candy smells, you'll like this stuff. It's not good for hydration, But this, if you're just looking for a good smelling body wash and lotion, then I definitely recommend it. I even have the perfume in my bathroom that I'm still using. But yeah, use those up. Next thing I got from Sam's, oh by the way, I got the Katy Perry stuff from Walmart, and if I can find the link, I will have it linked down below. The next thing I got from Sam's, and it is the Epsom salt, but it's the member mark one, and it comes with 2 of these 7-pound bags, so you get 4 pounds of Epsom salt. I forgot the price of it, but I'll have it linked down below. I love this. Since I had to go back to work after my little holiday vacation, my muscles have been very sore, so I use the heck out of this. The next thing is this Pink Friday perfume. I also got this for myself for Christmas, as I was getting it for Lash's Tony XO. I got her a little Christmas gift, and she got the bigger bottle and I got the smaller bottle. But yeah, I really enjoy that fragrance. It's a cool looking bottle. This one was just the ones that you kind of just dab out. But yeah, it smells really good. I don't know how to explain it, but it smells really good. And I definitely recommend seeing what the notes are and seeing if you like those notes. But I really enjoyed this fragrance, as you can tell. It comes in a really cute bottle. I had to give one to my little girl because the bottle was so cute and she had pink hair. The next product I got is from Image Skincare. It is the Vital C Hydrating Anti-Aging Serum. And that's what it looks like. And it comes in a little pump. And this serum was really good. I really enjoyed it. I got it from the Image Skincare gift set that was sent to me. I'll have the card right here if you're interested in seeing that video. But yeah, I really enjoyed this whole skincare line, and if you have the money, it is kind of expensive of a skincare line, but I think it's totally worth it if you want to spend the money on it. But yeah, definitely check it out. I really enjoyed all the products that they sent me. The next thing I have is a smidge, I can't really pronounce that, coconut pineapple sensitive skin formula all natural deodorant. And so y'all all know I've had problems trying to find a more natural deodorant that works with me. So I tried a few and I've had a lot of skin problems, irritation under my arms, some more than others. And then I tried a different one, I forgot, Then Sport or something like that, that actually didn't irritate my underarms, but then it didn't work. Like, it didn't control odor at all. So the closest thing I've tried that actually works with me is the Stone type of deodorant sticks, the Chai Stone deodorant sticks. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's in my bathroom. That's the most effective one I've tried so far as the not breaking me out, the sensitivity issue, plus the working part. That's the only one that's worked. But the only bad thing about that one is that it kind of takes forever to put your deodorant on, and I want to just like rub it on and go, like the other ones that wasn't cruelty free, you know, deodorants work. But this one I still was sensitive to, even though it does say sensitive skin formula. It wasn't as bad as some of the other ones from this line. The other ones, like the rose one and the lime one that I tried in the little tubs, they actually gave me like some kind of like almost like cyst under the skin. This one didn't do that, but like right in the armpit it didn't do any kind of irritation, but around where I put the deodorant it was like poofy and red. So I just stopped using it after the second day of it doing that, and it did that after like a couple days. then it started appearing, and then so a total of 4 days I tried it and I gave up on it. But it did control odor really good. I was just sensitive to it, and it shows up a lot of whiteness. Like, it was so creamy, and it just left a very white like residue all over my armpit, which wasn't a big deal since it is winter time. And as long as I don't get it on the outside of, you know, put it on after I put my clothes on, it wasn't a big deal. But yeah, that's my thoughts on that. I personally don't recommend it, but it smells good too. I don't know. Alright, down to the last 2 items. I used up a Kat Von D tattoo liner, and so I was wondering about this one. There's the tip, which the color's from my eyeshadow, but yeah, it just dried out too much. I think I used it for 2 weeks and it dried out on me. So I'm glad I got this from a gift from Angela, a woman I work with. She's so sweet. She saw one of my videos and she had this sample, and she was like, well, I mean, I already got a full size and mine's last all year. And she was like, I hope it didn't, you know, expire or dry out already. So she thought it might be dried out before I even tried it. But I really loved how it applied. But unfortunately, it dried out in 2 weeks. And I don't know if it's because I like to put my eyeliner on over my, my eyeshadow, and that's why it dried it out so much. Maybe it's because it was older, like she said, and that's why it dried out so much. But this one is like a $20-something eyeliner for the full size, so I'm just scared to repurchase it myself. There's other liners I want to try out before I repurchase this one. So it was good while it lasted, but I feel like it dried out too fast, so I'm not going to repurchase it. The next item is this NYX retractable lip liner, and it is the color Nude Pink. I actually used this up today when I was putting on my lip liner for the video. So it's on the outside edge, but then I ran out, so I couldn't fill in my whole lip with this color, so I had to go in with my Milani Bahama Beige 55, which that's already like discontinued, so you can't purchase that exact Milani lipstick. But I do recommend the Milani cream lipsticks. They're really good and they smell good. But anyway, we're talking about the NYX one. This was a very nice lip pencil. Let's see, I've had this for more than a year, and I feel like it crumbled a little bit the last couple months I've been using it. But I actually like gave it 6 months in between time of not using it at all, and from what I can remember at the get-go, it's very creamy. So if you think you're going to use this up within 6 months, it's definitely worth getting. I'm definitely going to be repurchased. I mean, I really liked it. I would repurchase this lip liner. It was a really nice color and really easy to use, and it just jazz up any kind of nude lip liner and just makes it more look, you know, defined looking. I really enjoyed the lip liner. I definitely recommend it and would repurchase it. But that is the end of my January empties. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!